type of girl, like literally nobody, me putting on more lip gloss. I'm just that type of girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nne here, and if you're clicking on this video, it's because yes, I'm finally doing another makeup video. It's literally been like 2 years and you guys have been asking for my, I wouldn't call it my everyday makeup routine, it'd be more of my natural glam routine. I literally always do this look. It is, I would say it's like a peach pink neutral, it's not natural, neutral type of spring look. And yeah, you guys always ask questions on how I achieve this look, so like, why not do this video? So before we get started, I need you to do one thing for me, and I need you to, you know, as soon as I look down at my wrist, my non-imaginary watch, you know exactly what I'm about to ask you to do. I am waiting for you to subscribe, okay? Got a couple, 1, 5, 4, 3. Are you still waiting, or what are you waiting for? Okay, now that you've subscribed, let's get into today's video. My hair looks crazy, but I don't look crazy. You know, one thing I do want to point out is that for some reason, some women always feel the need to apologize for not wearing makeup, and when they do not have on makeup, they say that they look crazy. I do not look crazy. I look beautiful, okay? I just don't have makeup on, all right? So I'm not apologizing for anything. Like, I'm not, okay? I'm just saying that we are about to achieve the glam. But before then, I still look good. I just don't have makeup on. But I will say my hair looks crazy. We can all agree on that. Yes, it looks crazy. Don't worry, by the end of this video, edges will be laid, hair will be styled, and yeah, okay. With Deco Scarlet, guys, I am so excited to be using this. I've heard so many great things about them. And we are going to feature, I don't even know what that was. Okay, so first of all, Deco Scarlet is like this cool new makeup line that is a subscription. And it features awesome like makeup palettes, kits, and it's just really trendy makeup. And the great thing about it is, you know, I'm always an advocate for this. If you want to save some coins, okay, because we're all about saving coins in 2019, okay, and then 2020, and then probably 2021, until we get to a point where it's just like we don't need to save. But even then, I feel like if I'm rich, well, not if I'm rich, when I become rich, I'm always going to want to save. Do you know what I mean? So the cool thing about Deco Scarlet is the fact that it is a makeup monthly subscription, and you can save. So I don't know about you guys, but by the time you finish going to Sephora, you go to MAC, you go to Ulta, you go to all these stores, it's like, dang, you didn't spend your whole paycheck. But the great thing about Deco Scarlet is that every single month they feature different types of makeup palettes, different types of lip glosses, lipsticks, like anything makeup related, mascaras, you name it, you will get that in your monthly subscription of that. So it's almost like you don't have to leave the house, you know, it just comes to you, and it's just great stuff, so you can always be on makeup trend. So if you are a subscriber, or when you become a subscriber after this video, hopefully, you would have received these high shine lip. This is it. I don't know if okay, it is focusing. Yes, this is it. It also comes with the makeup palette. I don't have the makeup palette here, but I do have these high shine lip glosses, which I'm really excited to try it because number one, I don't know about you guys, but one of my summer essentials would probably have to be lip gloss this summer. Okay, like you can't go wrong with lip gloss. Like any look you do, you need some lip. I like glossy looks. I'm a matte kind of girl, but I'm more of a glossy kind of girl. Keep it glossy and flossy, ladies and gentlemen. And the awesome thing is too, it is only $29.95 every single month. That is less than what you pay at Sephora. Okay, like I just want to put that out there. You guys know makeup shopping, I'd be embarrassed at the checkout. I'd be like, dang, that's that. There goes this month's paycheck. You know what I mean? It's just crazy. But with this, like I said, it is only $29.95. That's like, that is literally like one powder at MAC. It's multi-dimensional. It's a prismatic pigment. We're gonna find out here in this video though. But it says it's very pigmented. It makes a statement in just one stroke. So I love that already. We're gonna find out though. We are gonna do some swatches, and we're also gonna, you know, try it on. So in this month's kit, it's actually 3 lip glosses, but like I said, I have all 6 for you guys here. So in this month's kit is Splash, Champagne Dreams, and Dare Me. So this is one of them that is in this month's kit. It is Splash. This is Champagne Dreams. And this is a Dare Me. So another cool thing about these lip glosses is that it is cruelty free, so no animals were harmed in the making of these lip glosses, and it is paraben free. I hope I'm saying that right. Shipping is free if you are in the USA. It also ships to Canada and the UK. I do think there is a price for the shipping, but I'm pretty sure it's not that expensive, you know, especially considering how affordable this makeup subscription box is. So the cool thing is, well, there's a lot of cool things about this entire Deco Scarlet thing, but another cool thing is that you can get 30% off your first month. Applause for that. 30%? Do you know how much that is, sis? That's almost 50. 30% off your first subscription, your first month of the Deco Scarlet. I'm going to include a bit.ly link in my description box. Make sure you go there to check it out. We're saving coins, okay? It doesn't get better than that. Okay, so let's get started. So first I'm going to start with my eyebrows. Ladies, do not pay attention to what I'm doing on my brows. I literally ran out of brow powder, and I'm just using this Almay shimmery brow thing, which is actually a good product. It's just that I wouldn't normally use it for my brows. It's actually an eyeliner. It's a bronze eyeliner that I'm somehow figuring out, managing to use for my brows. Up next, by the way, I did my eyebrows way too thick today, guys. Please don't pay attention. This is not my best makeup beat, but this is sort of how I achieve this look. Next, I am using MAC's NC35 Studio Finish Concealer. I am next using MAC's blush. That's what I'm using as my transition color. It's their blush in Ambering Rose. So I'm just using that as my transition to just kind of add that element of color to my look. And then I'm also using MAC's NC43 Studio Fix Powder. I'm using that to transition the color a bit more. And I'm using now Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. It's their medium to dark. I'm using that to add, I guess, a bit more depth to my eyeshadow look. And then I'm using some more MAC. I'm using MAC's Warm Neutral Palette. This is really, really old. I'm not sure if they even still have this in stores, but I'm using their pink champagne color for my eyelid. I'm just putting that on there. Guys, this is really my go-to look. There's nothing like this look. Of course, we have to use our LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using it in shade Pure Beige. Just putting on, dabbing it in a bit with the Beauty Blender. And then on top of that, for a real highlight color, I use this when I'm doing a beat. I'm using NYX's Light Pale HD Concealer to really brighten my look. Then, of course, I'm using Laura Mercier in their translucent powder, or setting powder. Back to Black Radiance. I'm using that to contour. See, guys, there are multiple uses for your makeup products. You do not have to use a makeup product for one thing. So I'm using that to contour. Then I'm spraying ColourPop's All-Star Face Setting Spray. And then, of course, the favorite part, highlights. I'm using Marame by Dose of Colors. I love this highlight. I'm going to put a little bit in my brow bone just for extra pop. Then I'm using some mascara. This is Rimmel London's mascara. They're wonderfully real mascara. Then I'm using Cork by MAC. It's their lip liner. Love this color. It's a nice nude type of liner, I would say. Okay, now for the fun part, because there was just a lot of quietness going on. You just heard music and you just saw me beat my face. Now, let's get down to the lip gloss part, the part that we've all been waiting for. Okay, so I just put some Cork liner by MAC on my lips just for a lip liner, because I just like lip liners. I just can't put lip gloss on without any lip liner. That is so 2003. Mind you, 2003, I wasn't even putting on makeup, but you get the point. So let's start off with Champagne Dream, shall we? So I like it. I am a new type of girl. So this is just the perfect amount of gloss and shine. It's not too glossy. It's not like you put oil on your lips. You know what I mean? It's like a really nice, finish, I'd say. What do you guys think? So this is, I wouldn't really say it's tinted that much. You don't see any gold. It's more of like a clear kind of look. And I like it. All right, let's give it up for Champagne Dreams, everybody. Okay, let's move on to the next color. Oh, the next color is Splash. This that Splash. So you guys probably know where that is from Instagram and Twitter. That little boy is so cute. And he's, if you know, you know, basically. So let's try out Splash. This that Splash. 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 Ooh. This one is definitely a little bit more shimmery. I like this one. I think this one might even be my favorite, but let's see. Let's try the other ones out definitely before I come to that conclusion. Type of girl, like literally nobody, me putting on more lip gloss. I'm just that type of girl. We have a dare me, do you dare me, dare me, dare me, dare me, dare me. Okay. way, guys, excuse my makeup. This definitely, no, this one is definitely a heavier eyeliner than this, so my bad. Listen, I'm not a makeup pro, okay? I'm not her. I'm not who you want me to be. I'm just me. Okay. So yeah, guys, I like this one. And this is definitely a natural look. Which one was your favorite? That's the question. It's definitely between Dare Me and Splash. Champagne Dreams, I like it, okay? They're all good. We're gonna have to eliminate this one. All right, we're gonna have to eliminate this. And then it leaves it down to this two. So, because I am a very natural, warm kind of makeup girl, I'm gonna have to go with Dare Me. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're gonna see more of me, definitely check out my social media channels, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I'm all there, I'm always there. And you can get more of me. Let me get out of here. I gotta get out of here. Let me go. All right, bye guys.